Samsung 32-inch class LED Smart FHD TV 1080p screen size 32 inches. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Brand Samsung. Resolution 1080p. Display technology LCD. About this item. Full HD 1080p resolution. Enjoy a viewing experience that is 2x the clarity of standard HD TVs. Smart TV. Get to your entertainment the faster, easier, and more intelligent way. Easily access your streaming services all in one place using the Samsung Remote Control. Micro Dimming Pro. Reveal a more true-to-life picture with enhanced contrast. Quad-core processor. Enjoy a fluid browsing experience and faster control switching between apps, streaming content and other media effortlessly. Dimensions. Without stand 28.9 inches WX17.3, HX 3.1, D. With stand 28.9 inches W by 18.2, HX 6.4 inches D stand size, WxHxD, -5.4 by 6.5 by 1.8 inches. Inputs Outputs. 2 HDMI input, 1 component video input, 1 RF in, satellite input, 1 RF in, terrestrial cable input, 1 USB input, 1 composite in, AV, 1 Ethernet, LAN, and 1 digital audio out, optical. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the link present in description. If you like my video content, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.